guys, welcome back to Join the Production. So today we are going to go to Lubuk Pakam for pray because it's Chinese New Year. So I guess I'll just go on with the vlog. So guys, we are here in Lubuk Pakam temple and right now everyone is praying. Ooh, there are some fish.
Let me get in too.
You wanna get in?
No.
Fish. Where's fish? There's fish.
And there is a
Guy.
here. Wait.
And another fish.
Another
Two.
fish.
Hey, I thought there are so many fish over here. Oh, there are three.
And the water is so fake.
Yeah, really fake. Do you want to be a fish?
That guy wants.
Oh, here's another fish.
And then
Different pictures.
what? Who is that? She don't even have a leg.
I thought that was Pom Pom. Let's just appreciate the art. And some fish.
This water is so black.
Yeah, I know, right?
Paint water.
There's fish too. And this is
You didn't touch the water.
touch if you dare. Okay.
It's normal water, not black water.
Yeah. And there's a rubber band over there.
No.
Somehow you look like that fish.
Okay.
Fish. There are 4 over there. And there are some
There are statue, right?
3 over here.
Statue.
No, there are real fish.
Why they don't really move?
I don't know. This one too. They just move a bit.
It's not. They move to the other side.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head because there are so many things that I left unsaid.
So guys, now we are on our way back to Medan after praying. And this guy here is playing games like usual.
I got sunglasses.
Not sponsored.
Sponsored by PUBG Mobile.
Nah. Request for sponsorship.
Sponsor me. Don't sponsor this guy.
Sponsor me.
I can